Hi everyone, so today we're going to be making a caterpillar using pom-poms. So these are the things that you need.
You'll need a paper strip that it's curved,
So
and then you'll need like a pom poms, and you'll need like a half a paper cleaner, and then you'll need a glue stick and glue eyes.
So make sure you have one big pom-pom because this is what you'll use for the head. So first we're going to start it with the strip. So who wants to do the gluing?
I'll place the pom poms.
Okay, I'll do the gluing. Okay. So we're going to start out with our...
First to put everything on the big pom pom. Probably first put it on.
You want to start it there?
Yeah, right here.
All right, so what we're going to do first is we're just going to put a little dab of glue at the end there. We're going to just add the head of the pom-pom or the caterpillar. And then I'm just going to actually just do long strips. So then you can just, yeah, it just makes it easier if you do one long strip. So you're just going to add the pom-poms, and we actually did like a little bit bigger pom-pom and then like a medium-sized pom-pom. So just for a little variety. You can use all one color pom-pom if you want. But we chose to use different colors. And then you just keep adding them on just like that. Super, super easy. We've got two more. And then you want to make sure your paper strip is and this is kind of like a cardboard, like a cardstock type of whoa. He's sliding all over the place. Yeah. All right, so that is what your caterpillar will look like after you glue all the pom-poms on. And of course it's going to need time to dry, so it's not going to be dry as soon as you put it down. And then so cool. Show this. So
we made so we had a pipe cleaner and we got a pencil and we wrapped it around the pencil.
Yeah, so that's how we made the little antenna. How they're
So we're gonna glue on the outside.
Yeah, and make sure you put enough glue on that because otherwise it's not gonna stick very well.
Alright, I'm done putting the glue on. I just gotta stick it in there.
Yeah, kind of just stick it on the top and then kind of squeeze the pom-pom around it.
Like that.
Like that. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. And then we'll do the other one. Do you want me to do it or?
I'll do it. Alright.
And the other one just goes around. I'll hold this because it's not really dry yet, so it's kind of moving around.
Alright.
All right, and then the eyes, we're gonna do the same. We're gonna add some glue.
There's a sticky thing on it.
Yeah, it's not gonna stay as well though. I think it's easier to use the glue.
Let me just test it.
So I put a big chunk of glue on there.
There we go. I just used the sticker.
And then you just place them on just like that. So that's what your little caterpillar's face will look like. So this guy's kind of leaning over because he's not quite dry, and the antennae are falling off because it's not quite dry. But once everything dries, it will be perfect. So that is how you make a little pom-pom caterpillar. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. This is our third video for our channel, and we're trying to get some likes and subscribers so people are watching our videos.
If you have any ideas, please comment down below in the comment section.
Yeah, and if you have any simple craft ideas that we can add to our channel. And so that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this, and we will see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.